how to get live wallpapers on PC for free. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, go into our desktop. And then once we are now on our desktop, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. After that, just open your Microsoft Store right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Lively. After that, click enter. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to install this Lively wallpaper right here. So just click on that and then click the install button. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Now, the next thing that we need to do right here is to open our browser. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go into YouTube. And then once you're now on the YouTube, just search for live wallpaper. And then all you have to do is to just look for the video that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we would like to use this one. So open that. And then after that, what we're going to do is to copy the link, which is right here. And then once you copy the link, let's go back right here to our store. Once it is done, just click the open button right here. And then once you do that, this will pop up. So we will have a bunch of options that we can use for our live wallpaper right here. So if you want to choose one of these wallpapers right there, you can do so. But let's say, for example, that you would like to add another live wallpaper on your PC. So what we're going to do here is to just click the plus button right here, which is the add wallpaper. And then in the URL, we're just going to paste the URL that we have just copied earlier. So just paste it right there. And then click this one right here. And then after that, I just change the title of the wallpaper right there. And then you can also add description and author. But I will just skip it and then click OK. And then after that, you will see this one right here. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then once you click it, if we go back into our home, this is what it's going to look like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to get live wallpapers on PC for free.